For this training, we are going to see how to upload your documents on Studypool. And then the platform already has given the format with which you can upload your documents. I'm going to close this. Now, to upload your documents, as I said earlier, what you need to do is come to CellDoc. You don't need to do any form of application aptitude test. You can just go right on and start uploading, of course in the right format. So we'll click on CellDocs, and this opens up, and you see the top earners here. So we scroll down. So you scroll down and you see pro tips. I will advise that you read up everything, and you see how you can also maximize your earnings here. So we'll come to that. So you come down, and these are the formats. These are the formats required. These are the formats required. You see JPEG, PNG, and GIF, and TIFF, DOC, ODT, and a whole lot of formats here. Spreadsheet, Excel, and zip files. Now, if you have a lot of documents, like say you have like up to 200, 300 documents, you can zip them all up and upload. It is not difficult at all uploading documents to the platform, not at all. It is easy peasy. Now, if they're in soft copy, that's typed, save them in PDF format. That's what I will advise. And if you have lecture notes which are handwritten, then you can use a scanner. You go to your store, Play Store or Apple Store, and you install a scanner and scan your class note and save them in PDF format or even JPEG format. Most of those scanners come in the saving format are always PDF and JPEG. So you save them, and preferably PDF, the one that is very, very clear. Then you can also do PowerPoint, as the case may be. Now, these are the for maximum earnings, high quality. You add your doc details and make sure that you upload meaningful content. As much as we want to upload a lot of content, you shouldn't upload plagiarized content or content that doesn't belong to you. Now, what you do is that you come down here, you say upload files, you click on it, then you go straight to the particular document you want to upload. If it's in your desktop, you go straight up there, and then you look for the particular document you want to upload. I just want to show you an example. Okay, let's say this. So you click on it. Now, the thing is that you should make sure that you name it properly, so that with search intent keywords like this, now we have 30 hot critical reasoning test questions with answer. So any person, any student searching for critical reasoning test questions can easily get here and see that we have 30 there. See analogy, test questions and answer, and counting, synonyms, general financial test questions. So just like that, engineering insight test. So make sure that you name it very, very well. It has already been saved. Then you now click on it and open up, and then you just click on upload, and it will get uploaded. Now let me just try this. See, before you upload, you need to do this, blah 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 blah, and you click on understand and you confirm. And please do not close the window before the upload is completed. Now, say this file has been uploaded, and you come down here, you see the particular file, and it is processing. It's going to take a while. Now, what I'm going to do is that I don't want this here. I'm going to just delete it. See, I'm going to delete it, but that is how you upload it. See, because I titled it this way, say 30 hot critical reasoning test and with answers and explanations. Once they have accepted it, you can always edit and add up a tags, and that's search intent keywords, as I will show you earlier on. So that is just how you upload your document. So thank you and God bless.